Welcome to CampaignTrackly. In this video, I'm going to go over some of our features: bulk uploading destination URLs, setting up weekly campaign exports, and implementing your campaign name convention. First, let's make sure your team can see the features you need. In the left menu, head to Team Up, select the team you wish to adjust, and then head to Team Permissions. Under the Visibility and Menus option, make sure your team can see Select Existing Input Mode, Templates, and the builder of your choice. I'll be using the simple UTM builder, but this will work for either one. Then, make sure to save. Now then, onto destination URLs. In the left menu, click Admin Settings, Assets, Destination URLs. And you'll see that we have the option to import links as a CSV file. When your team is using their UTM builder, they will be able to see the UTM library by clicking the Choose from List button. Let's add an example name and take a look. They will be able to select the links they need individually or in bulk, and they'll even be able to use the scroll bar and the search option to search for specific links. Now let's set up weekly campaign exports. In the left menu, go to Admin Settings, Integrations, Simple Integrations. This is where you can activate or deactivate weekly campaign reports and weekly campaign export emails. Campaign export emails send a CSV of every link made in a certain time frame to an email of your choosing. If, for example, you want to receive a weekly email on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. containing every link you made that week, you would input these settings and click Save Email Export Settings. Make sure to send a test email to confirm the right email was used. When you look in your inbox, you'll see the settings for the export emails, and you'll get the attached CSV. Last but not least, let's set up your campaign name convention. This setup will make a campaign name that, like the corresponding UTM campaign, is made of an abbreviated version of the source name, an abbreviated version of the medium name, and a string of the team members' choosing. We'll make the tags that we need to include, make them part of the UTM campaign, and then use advanced templates to automate campaign creating. If you want to add more tags to the campaign name, stay tuned. But first, let's make custom hidden value tags that abbreviate your sources and mediums. In the left menu, click Admin Settings, Tags, Metadata, Custom Tags. Then click Add Custom Tag, Hidden Value Tag to add a hidden value tag. I'll make the medium abbreviations for this example. Name the tag to your liking, then add one column for your friendly values, then click Save. When we click the List of Values button for that tag, we'll be able to import values into it. Make sure to delete any blank spaces. Now that we're all good, we can update the values. One tag like this for medium and one for source will help with abbreviations later. Next, make a tag for free inputs. All you need to do is make a custom tag that's alphanumeric and name it to your liking. Click Save. Look for the Values List button and enter any dummy value you like and click Update. Now, let's make these tags required for your UTM campaign. In the left menu, click Admin Settings, Tags, Metadata, UTM Campaign, and click the Pure Metadata option. Add the values for your abbreviated source and medium, your free input tag, and any other tags you want to add to the UTM campaign. Then click Save. Once that's done, go to Admin Settings, Assets, Advanced Templates, and click Add Campaign Template. This is where we'll link the actual source and medium with their corresponding abbreviations. Say you want a campaign with Google CPC. Find that source medium tag, then find the corresponding source and medium values in your abbreviated source and abbreviated medium values. My medium is CPC to match the CPC up here. This is what will link the medium and source tags to the abbreviations. Make sure that your free input tag is set to dynamic tag. That way, your teammates will be able to input whatever they need. Click Preview and Save, and name your template to your liking. Then click Finish and Save. Here's what it looks like in action. Your teammate would create a new campaign from the builder of their choice, search for and select links from their very convenient link library, search for the source medium template they'd need, and then write whatever is needed in the free input tag. When they click Preview and Save, they'd be able to preview all the links they make, delete any as necessary, and then finish and save their campaign. If you have any questions about this setup, feel free to contact us. We're here to help. And then, let's get tracking.